Do not trust the banks. Guys, I've been telling you this for 4 or 5 years now. Do not trust the banks. Why do I say this? You put your hard-earned money in the bank, $100, $200, $500 a week. You're saving up all your savings. The bank has a system. It's called fractional reserve banking. What is fractional reserve banking? Well, if you have $1,000 that you put into a bank, checking or savings, whatever it may be, the bank can take 90% of that money, 95% of that money, and reinvest it somewhere else. So when you want your money, and it's happened to me, I go into a bank, I may have $50,000, $100,000 in a bank account. I go into a bank, I try to go ahead and withdraw it. They freeze my account. I call the bank, I'm asking them, what's going on? I'm trying to get my money. Well, it's the back office. We put a stop to your bank so we can investigate whether it's fraud or not. Okay, I say, it's for my own good, okay? I can buy that. But I show them all the information. I tell them where it's coming from, where it's going, and they still hold on to my money. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months go by, your accounts are frozen, you can't pay your bills, you can't do anything. And you know something? It's all legal. What they've done is this. They've taken your money, they've reinvested it, they may have over-leveraged in other investments, they're making money off of your investments, so they want you to keep your money within their accounts, within their systems. They don't want you to draw it out. This is a crime. And they're allowed to do this and they get away with this. You put your money in the bank. You're charged interest rates. They're investing your money. They're making 10, 20, 15 times, 30 times your original deposit. This is what they're doing. They have this, they're making it, and then they're charging you an interest rate with the money that you gave them. It's the biggest con that there is. Guys, you can be your own bank. You can control your own money. You can control your own investments. And we're going to show you guys exactly how to do this. First of all, you can go ahead, get a hard wallet. Put your money in digital assets that you can control, not on another exchange, not with somebody else, but within your own hard wallet, which is your own bank system that you can have and you can control. So when you want to take your money out, you can take your money out. You can withdraw it, you can sell it off, you can put it within whatever asset that you want it to be. We're going to show you how to do this, guys. Fractional banking is a crime. The banking system as we know it is a crime. Let me go back to the beginning. The banking system. What is the banking system? It's created by governments. Governments might be like the United States of America. Governments which are really not a government, but it's an actual company that's registered with the Uniform Commercial Code. What are banks? The whole system of bank is based upon the Uniform Commercial Code, which is dealing with the waterway. Banks are on the bordering of a river. Currencies, or currents as you know it, are when they're coming down that waterway and then they're caught into the whole banking system. Currencies are created by the movement of waters, and they're gathered or entrapped by the banks off of the river. And this is how this whole banking system was created. And it's unlike what we knew from the very beginning. In the beginning, if somebody wanted a basic good, if somebody wanted something done, they would trade goods, actual assets, such as before fiat currency, before dollars, before yen. Everything was based on a particular commodity: gold, silver, copper, cotton, all of this. The banking system in the beginning was based upon trade. Trade. I wanted to build a house. I'm a farmer. I don't know how to build a house. I would negotiate. I will give you a cow, a goat. I will give you X amount of eggs. I'll give you milk. I'll go ahead and supply this to you for 3-6 months if you go ahead and you build my house. The bankers at the beginning, the Rothschilds, various groups, what they did was they said, let's go ahead and create something, a fiat currency, paper. And when we want more, we can print it up. And now it's not based upon gold. First, it was based on gold in the United States. Nixon took it off of the gold standard, put it with oil. But now, as you see here now, it's being depicted because Saudi Arabia, the number of the oil that it was attached to, is now looking and they're accepting other currencies. In fact, you have China, Saudi Arabia, Russia with this whole new BRICS system that a lot of countries are going towards, which is why many people say that the fiat dollar, the US dollar, is going to collapse, is going to fail. And now they're going to be basing it, rumor is, basing it on tangible commodities like gold, like copper, like silver, like ore, like iron, like oil. We want you to prepare for this. We don't want you to get caught out there. We don't want you to be in a system where the governments are trying to hold on to this old elitist power of yesterday. We want you to create and engage within your own currencies. We want you to create your own banking system. We want you to survive the financial reset that we are bound to see, where governments now will be moving towards a central bank digital currency system. We see this already. President Biden, United States, the White House, President said, I want you to the central bank and the Federal Reserve to start engaging and looking at a central bank digital currency. What will this do? Well, a central bank digital currency, if that is created, the world currency, they'll be able to dictate to you what you should buy and what you shouldn't buy. If you buy something that's not acceptable to the government, they could freeze your account. They could liquidate your account. Look at in Canada, what they did with the truckers. Illegal. Blockchain, crypto, which is the future, decentralized DAO system where we control, take back from the banks, economic freedom, our own financial worth. This is the revolution in how we evolve into a more free and nurturing society, how we engage and take control of our own lives. If you like what you hear, hit subscribe, like this video, because we're going to be coming back to you over and over with these tidbits of information on what the government is doing, how best to protect ourselves, how best to protect our family, how best to protect our financial future. Thank you.